This is DaretoBeCreative, and I'm here with a haul. And I have to tell you that Dollar Tree redid the craft out. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but I showed you guys a whole year in advance before the Dollar Tree rolled out everywhere, because our store over here was one of the model stores, because it started here on our coast, and I showed it, and the video went viral. So I have another one that I'm going to be showing of the new one, and you know, I don't know. Well, it's not new, I guess. And it's new in the sense they got new items. So, and they redid it in my store anyway to make it look very different. Sorry about the noise, I apologize. Because I know some people get very sensitive when they hear a bag ruffle. But that's what you hear in haul videos. But anyway, this is some ribbon. They have the silver down the middle. They had several different colors. That's just some navy and some gray. I did get this one washi, which is like a dinosaur one. It says Roar. They had one that had a sloth on it and some other stuff. Got these for some other stuff. I got this. This reminds me of a Tim Holtz collection. Like, this would be such a great piece in mixed media. I mean, such a great piece. I mean, you could use it for travel. You could use it for a masculine piece. You could use it for a lot of ATCs, a lot of different things. But I just thought it just reminded me of Tim Holtz for $1. I mean, could you go wrong with that? Nope. You could use this on the zine. Now, I was excited to get these, and I'm going to tell you why. These look great for inches. I mean, actually, I didn't measure it out, but for an inch, it's smaller than an inch. This looks like about 3/4. Let's see. Ooh, am I right? Yep. 3/4. Is it squared? Yep, 3/4 by 3/4. So this could actually go in an inch. That's what my thought was. This would look good on inch as an inchy, but you can use this on anything else. But that was the first thing I saw, and I haven't made inchies in a while, but they are fun to make. An inch is a 1 inch by 1 inch square, and you have to decorate it like you would decorate any kind of layout, you know, pocket letter card, ATC, or whatever. So it's just that you have to force yourself to do it on an inch. I've done some swaps of inchies, but I don't know if I ever posted on this. I might have posted because I did some. Haven't done it in a while, so it's probably been about 2 years. I'm not sure if I posted those videos or not. I know I did some swaps on Facebook with people with inchies, and I've done a lot of swaps on not a lot, but a couple swaps with ATCs on Facebook. But I don't always post them because I know on this channel a lot of people don't always do those. But I like doing those randomly. It's kind of fun. But back to the Dollar Tree. So they had a couple different designs. Like, this was a new stencil. Love, fun, joy, home, family, sweet, laugh, lucky, life, happy, together in a heart. I don't think I had that one. I know this one was different. This is a flexible stencil, and they have all the new markings. It's a stencil, planner, I forgot this, like paper crafts, towel border gems, and they have the, you know, laser cuts. So they have the little logo up in the corner to let you know what it is. It says grateful, thankful, blessed. And they had tons of the wood stuff. Like, this one says happy birthday, and it looks like 3 is the pieces in there. Happy birthday, love, memory, and that right there, like, that has Eiffel Tower on it, and it says love you more, if you can see that inside of there. How about the glare? Memory, love, they had forever, and happy birthday, sorry, inspire. I'm rushing because I have to get another video done. And I got some of them because I'm giving some away. Some more pop dots to give away. But anyway, so check out the Dollar Tree, and the video of the Dollar Tree is probably going to be before this one, I guess, or whatever. But anyway, so hopefully that will be coming to your new Dollar Tree. This one, what they did was they did one owl and a short owl, and they had the two sides of it facing each other instead of one long craft owl. But they added, there was tons of different stickers. So go to my IG, DaretoBeCreative1, and they'll be up there. But it was tons and tons of Dollar Tree stickers that they had. Iron-ons, rub-ons, stickers, dimensional stickers, planner stuff, scrapbook stuff. it was just a lot of different stuff, and a lot of it, some of it's repeated, but some of it was different. Dimensional flowers and stuff like that. So anyway, be on the look out on that. So it was tons of these. There were flowers, there were birds, there were crosses, dinosaurs, turtles. Like, it was all kinds of wood. They had a whole section just on wood. So like I said, that's the new like labeling and packaging. They're letting you know what stuff are. Oh, you had gems. So a lot of metallic stuff, like these kind of things too, the puffy stickers and stuff. And then even the dimensional stickers, you could feel through the plastic through the bag that they had texture on them. So anyway, hopefully you check that video out, and I will put the link in this one if it already had it up first. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.